Guys, welcome back to Around the House with Cheryl. I'm Cheryl, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul, and I got a couple beauty things I want to show you. I had to come back, did a previous haul, so hopefully you check that one out, and I will link it up below and down below, whatever way. So if you want to see what I picked up on this trip, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm not going in any particular order. I thought it was sort of a beauty kind of stuff that I picked up with my gift card. But I mean, this is for me because if you've been following me a little bit, you know that I like to garden. And so I picked up a pair of gloves. I think I picked up two, but I don't see the other ones right now. But these are the latex gloves, and I really like this pretty green. These are pretty good gloves. I bought some last year, and they're still hanging in there. I don't know where they are, but they're still hanging in there somewhere. And then I saw this Super Soothing Epsom Salt Foot Gel for swollen and achy feet. Easy application, soothes, cools, and comforts. Contains aloe. So, as you've heard me say if you follow me, as you heard me say several times, I always complain about my feet. So I thought, why not try that? Oh, here's the other pair of gloves. This is the purple ones. Aren't they pretty? See? So I'm getting ready. So I'll have my gloves together when springtime comes. I picked up this little notebook. I think I want to use it to put like all my login and passwords in, maybe, or just to jot little notes. I thought it had a pretty little cover because, you know, it's lined paper, and if you want to jot down a quick note, there you go. And then I picked this up, and I'm going to do a DIY with this. This is like a really, it's not wood, but it's like a really thick particle board, and it has the little hooks on the back. So I'll be back to show you how I do that. I did one last year, but I didn't show y'all how I did it. And I think it came out cute. And I saw this little bag. It's like, I guess a little makeup bag. And it's fairly deep. I thought this would be a good little bag to take to work if you wanted to take some more extra makeup or wipes or whatever you want. And so then I saw these soft and gentle wipes, cleansing cloths. So I picked up a pack of those. This one has, 32 count. I got that. And I'm trying to figure out what else I got in these bags that I got. If you watch my last video, you'll see my little Pomeranian got me distracted. Sorry for bending over. I picked up this activated charcoal with bentonite clay to help cleanse and purify the skin. This was new by Yardley of London. I don't know. Comment down below if you tried this. Okay, so we're going to get into some more beauty stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And before we do that, I want to remind you, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because I do things around my house. I do cleaning, cooking, hauls, DIYs, and decor. So if you like that kind of content and want to keep your house running and see all kind of crazy stuff I do around the house, then keep watching. And don't forget to hit the bell. Hit it twice so you don't miss out when I put up a new video. Okay, guys? Okay. Alright, this is the 3-in-1 Body Wash Shampoo Conditioner by Ultramax. This is the Arm & Hammer one. This is a good one. This is a good one. This is 12 fluid ounce. I don't think you can use this. No, you can't. You can't use a coupon on this, even though, look how big this is. It says a bonus trial size. They ain't no good. They ain't no trial size. Okay, so what I picked up was a couple brushes. This is the Wet n Wild. I'm going to try to start finding me some Wet n Wild coupons, y'all, because I've seen them before. I don't get the paper, but this is the large concealer brush. See that? And this is the small eyeshadow brush. Can't never have enough brushes, especially if you're lazy. You don't feel like cleaning your brushes. Okay, y'all, I know I got some more stuff in here. Oh yeah, here we go. This ain't nothing special, but this is the, there's 100 dental picks in it. Deep clean bristle picks. I thought I'd give these a try. Alright, and then I got some more brushes here. This is a foundation brush. This is by Sassy and Chic. That's kind of different. I thought I'd try that one. And then this is the contour brush. Not that I'd be contouring, but you never know. And let's see, what else? Okay, here's another Sassy Chic. This is an eyeshadow brush. Isn't that different? I'm not sure. Look, y'all. Not sure how you use this one. Okay, and here's another brush. I finally found the little mermaid type ones. This is the concealer brush. And this one is the, let's see, powder brush. Isn't that pretty? We got those two. They didn't have any of the other ones, but they did have the tweezers. And I got those. I might use that for my stickers. I'm trying to do a planner, y'all. I don't know how it's going to work, but I probably won't have nothing in it after January. But they had Almay Long Lasting Brow Color. Brows on and on. New way to do brows. So, let's see how this works. It says apply a thick coat to the brows. Let it dry for 30 minutes. Gently peel away in the direction of the hair growth. Brows on and on. Well, damn. I had to get up early to do that. I'm going to try it, but I ain't doing it in the morning. I ain't getting up a half hour early just to get some eyebrows. You know, I had to put my little pencil on there because I got some gray eyebrows, y'all. Okay, this is Global Beauty Care. This is the Pore Refining Hydrogel Face Mask with aloe vera and tea tree. It's supposed to deep cleans down to the pores, 15-minute facial therapy. Minimize, smooth, strengthen, and it has one in there. It felt like it got a lot in there though. It must be really wet. I don't know how it's going to feel. I'm going to have to get into these masks. I just don't like the way they feel on your face, but I guess they're good for you. Okay, so I know I got one other thing I want to show y'all. Let me see if I can find it right quick. Oh, here we go. Okay, before I show you, I'm going to tell you a story. But first, I'm going to show you these fashion nails. I always show y'all these nails, but I don't ever have my own nails done. Aren't they pretty? You know what? I can wear these with those pants I got from Walmart. You didn't see that haul. I got a pair of leopard pants for $1, y'all. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so before I show you this last item, I'm sure, I'm almost 100% sure that's the last. I'm just peeking around, y'all, because I don't want to be telling y'all that something is the last. Oh, wait, there is one other thing. Let me go get it and show you real quick. Hold on. Okay. I picked this up. This is New Pore. It's a medium brown. It's supposed to revive color, enhance shine, cover grays, optimize permanent hair coloring system. Easy to apply, no mess, no measuring. Okay, so yeah, this was very easy. It came with a little packet that you put into the squeeze bottle, and it came with gloves. Very easy. Except for, I didn't want dark brown. I wanted medium brown. But medium brown made my grays turn to like an auburn. So I don't know if y'all could tell, I got on an orange circle around my head. But that's all right. I'll get it touched up, but it ain't going to be today. I'll go to work with an orange head. I might have some root touch up. I can touch up this orange. And then I tried this Wonder Mask. I only kept it on maybe 5 minutes. It says 3, but I usually keep my mask and conditioner in longer. But this is the Garnier Fruit Crease. I used it already, but I just wanted to show you. I really like this because my hair was not tangly after. So I would highly recommend this. So if I see it in the store, I might just pick it up. Even though I got tons of hair products. Okay, so on to this last item. But before we do that, I want to tell y'all a quick story. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Can you do that for me? It'll help me. It'll help my channel. And double tap the bell so you don't miss out next time I do a video. Okay, so back around Thanksgiving, my sisters came. And one of my sisters, I gave her some hair. Well, I gave two of them some hair products. So one of them, she said, she sent me a text afterwards when she got back home. She said, I'm putting in the relaxer that you gave me. So I didn't say anything. And so then later on, she posted a picture of what her hair looked like. It came out really nice. And I told her, I said, I got that relaxer from the Dollar Tree. She was like, what? You set me up. My hair could have fell out. Well, I was scared to put it in my hair. So I gave it to her. But anyway, I checked it out. It was like a $14 product for $1. So people were buying them off the shelves. So to make a long story short, I found another one, but this is not the same product. But I figured for $1, I'm going to keep it. I don't know if I'm going to use it. No, I'm not going to use it. This one says super strength. I really will have 3 strands of hair if I try to put this in my hair. But anyway, somebody comes to visit. I might give it to them, but it's called Phathead Salon Performance. No Mix Conditioning Cream Relaxer. Now, I have not checked it out online to see how much it is. But if I do, I'll link it at the end to show y'all. But I thought, I saw it at the top of the shelf. They didn't have very many, so I just picked up one. But that's the end of my haul, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I appreciate y'all stopping by and spending time with me. And I will see you guys on the next video.